Let's create this bold sunset eye look with a cut crease using minimal products. It looks difficult, but it's not. Let's get started. To start off, we're going to start priming our eyelids with a NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. You can use any brush for this step. Now going in with the Ellis Atlantis and Blend Bunny eyeshadow palette and the Spectrum A12 brush, which is a very precise one, let's apply the shade Atlantis onto the eyelids. Just be a bit mindful with purple eyeshadows, they can stain the eyelids. You want to pack on this shade so that you get maximum pigment payoff. Now we're going to move into the crease and start dabbing the product into it. I'm sorry the camera was not focusing at this time, it was a bit hard. This is how it should look once you've packed up enough product. Now with the Sigma E27 brush and the shade Entrancement, let's start applying this pink shadow over the purple one. Don't focus on blending, focus on applying maximum pigment. And now with the shade The Void and with the Colourpop E18 brush, we're going to apply the black color to deepen up the purple shadow. Apply this pretty precisely. You want a beautiful hue of colors. And now you can just blend out the colors properly. Back in with the shade Voltage, we're going to apply this to the topmost part of the eyelid. Using the Garnier Micellar water and a Q-tip, we're going to use this to clean out the eyelid. This is how we're going to carve out a cut crease. You need to remove pigment so that you can apply the other shadows properly. Now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, let's carve the cut crease. Make sure you're taking your time with this step. It did take me a while, and now you can fill in the eyelid. This is how your eye should look. Back in with the shade Atlantis, we're going to be tapping the product on the eyelid. Go in with the shade Entrancement and apply that next to the purple pigment. Dab on the product to get maximum payoff. And now blend those colors together. Now going in with the shade Nuclear, we're going to create that sunset look by applying this beautiful orange color. It just makes blending a lot more easier. And now with the 226 Smudger brush from Zoeva, we're going to use the shade Voltage to apply the yellow pigment. Dab it on to get maximum pigment. And as an optional step, you can use the shade Transcend to apply some shimmer on top of the yellow pigment. Apply the black shade to deepen out the V and on the lower lash line, and then finish it off with the purple shadow. Curling the lashes with the Lily Lash Lash Curler and applying the Maybelline Firework Mascara, let's apply that on our lashes. And there you have it guys, a beautiful sunset cut crease in just under 5 minutes. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya guys, bye!